Indvuna yaphambilini utjele lekhomishana kutsi ayati ngisho nalinye lijaji langathi lithengiwe. Mahlobo abephendvula tinsolo letentiwe ngufakazi lowatiwa ngekutsi nguSteven lothi Mahlobo abeyingcenye yemkhankaso wemshosha phansi lobewatiwa nge-Operation Justice lobewunikwe umsebenzi wekufumbathisa lijaji.
These allegations and this thing we are trying to actually implicate me are not true. Unfortunately, in the intelligence, Babu Zondo, in the intelligence, they use a particular platform to get a particular narrative. Here you are sitting with political animals. You know political animals that have their own issues. I will demonstrate at a particular point with a matter of judges, where one of these witnesses, called Stephen, as an example, he lies here. He has not came here. My legal team had said, no, but don't speak about people who have not came here. I said, no, I'm not going to allow Babu Zondo to think that I'm hiding things. In the affidavit he writes, he claims that I introduced judges to him. In the affidavit, he says he doesn't remember the judges I introduced him. He's then asked by the then acting DG, hey man, try to find pictures here so that you can be in a position to actually say, no, but minister ran something about judges. Then ultimately, in the same affidavit in the documentation here, he says he can't be in a position to confirm which judge.